our washing machine is not working today. So today we're gonna buy a new one. And guys, welcome to Salaarian's brand new season 2. Arrived? Great. I thought it was a long drive-through. Yeah. Oh guys, this is where All Star's haircut is.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we always go to All Star's haircut because I know they pay a lot of money, but they have the best haircuts in the whole wide world. But first, all you have to do is show them your haircut, which you want. Then you just.
And this is the wash and dry laundry shop.
And when you will show them, they will get you the haircut. They do it for adults and kids.
Alright.
And yes, मेरे Salaarians के वीडियो है बच्चे के लिए कि है so please make sure that your kids can watch it, parents. You bet. Dad,
How much are the charges?
we can we use this one, Dad?
For one round?
Yeah.
And dry also?
Dry is small one, $1, big one, $2.
Okay.
This $8.
Dad,
Okay.
Dad,
This?
we're using.
Sure. You can put it all in.
Dad.
Okay, let's try.
Okay,
Now we need to add money.
Yeah?
Wait.
Yeah or yeah?
Huh?
Huh?
Cold water में चलाएंगे.
Huh? Cold, acha. Start.
Let's press. I think it wants us to pay money. Let me go bring some coins from the car.
Yeah, sure. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna add our quarters. Should I?
Yeah, go ahead.
In this one?
How many?
Did you add the soap in mine?
We did the soap, we did the conditioner.
Then why don't I see any soap?
Just give it some time. Right now it's just filling up the water. And this is...
Where do they have some dryers, eh?
Guys, it looks like the clothes are washed already. Okay, let's pull the lever. Pull the lever all the way. Okay, get on the side.
Hey, you.
Start putting them all in.
Just got. Yeah.
Perfect. Start.
And I got.
You need my help, or you can do?
I can do.
Alrighty, let's do that.
Let's
Let me
both
help
do
you.
this.
Perfect.
Perfecto.
Looks great.
Looks nice and neat.
Yeah, come, let's... Okay, just drag it and bring it to a dryer. I think.
It's magnetic.
You can close it harder.
Oh, it has a sealant.
It's got a
Just
magnet
put the
inside.
coins now.
You can pay me the $2.50.
Okay.
Keep 2 quarters. Just give me everything here.
Okay.
Give me everything.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
I'll turn it off for you.